Hey Foxes, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be trading my Alpha Armor away for the whole Crystal Pegasus set, but it's in different colors, so I'm going to color swap that, and a head feather. So I will record when there's trading, and yeah, I made the screen a little smaller, so yeah. Trade, and now we will accept it. Rip Alpha Armor. So yeah, I'm going to say thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to make a new main look. 1 second. So here is my new main look. It's right here. It's pretty cute and kawaii. So here's the look. I actually went ahead and added a red sword onto it. But once I get a black long, I'll add it to this look. But I don't have one yet. Now I'm going to give you guys a green screen. So I can do this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. Since I came here, felt the joy and the fear, finding myself making every possible mistake. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. See you later. Peace